पणजेचे उमेदवार मनोहर पर्रीकार हांचे कडेन गोंयच्या विकासा खातीर बरेच कितें करून दाखोवपाची तांक आसा। तशेंच मुखेलमंत्र्याक वेंचणुकेंत पुराय तेंको आसतलो म्हण टीसीपी मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला। ह्या वेळार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हजर आशिल्लो। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
म्हाका अशें दिसता की एक्चुअली काँग्रेसीन इलेक्शनाक कॅन्डिडेटूच घालप नाशिल्लो। गोंयकारपणाचो सरकार कसलो तेय बी आमकां सपोर्ट करता, ते असेंब्लीन म्हणटात विजय सरदेसाय गोंयकारपण म्हणटा, आमी आसा हें करपाक। कॅन्डिडेट घालो कित्याक? यू शूड हॅव हॅड अ लार्ज हार्ट। इन 1991 इन नंदयाल, N.T. Ramarao citing Telugu Bidda gave N.T. Narasimha Rao almost a walkover, and he won by 5,80,000 votes, which went in the Guinness Book of World Records. ते भशेन तेलुगू बिड्डाचे परस stronger narrative गोंयकारपण आशिल्लो, and they could have actually done this and shown that they had a large heart. But they somehow want to, have this because there is this business of elections. Some people benefit out of the business of elections. थोडे अळमी खरी हे पावसान येताच, पावस सारको पडना, पूण इलेक्शनाची अळमी म्हणून सेपरेट आसता, सो ती येवची पडटात। तशी थोडी आयिल्ली आहा, ती चड करून जे भोंवतात ते खंयच्या खंय पाविल्ले आहा, ते तालिगांव मतदारसंघात कॅनवास करपाक पणजे म्हणून पाविल्ले आहा। So this is the actual confusion that one sees the Congress. And I believe that the Panjim voter knows and does not have to be told. Yet, we have come here to reaffirm our unstinted support to Mr. Manohar Parrikar, because Parrikar was brought here to deliver development with communal harmony and secularism, but at the same time, he is a changed person now. He is willing to correct mistakes which people see as mistakes, certain steps taken by him or by his previous government, which has been seen by the coconut tree, which has been seen by the Kul Mudkar amendment. So, अशें दिसता की डिबेट आणि डिस्कशन करून बदलुपाची कॅपॅसिटी मनोहर पर्रीकार दाखयता, आणि ही इज द ओनली मॅन हू कॅन डिलिव्हर. दिस इज वॉट वी फील. Therefore, we are a disparate coalition of different political parties which have come under his leadership, and he is the only man who can become chief minister in this election. So, any choice नाही आहा, म्हणून आमचो एक unstinted support आम्ही express करपा खातीर हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता.
It is where the party is there, that we are, and it is very clear. I have given a clear indication to all my workers, whoever supported you in my last election, that we should wholeheartedly support Mr. Manohar Parrikar. Mr. Manohar Parrikar has not told me to campaign for him, but if he asked me to campaign, definitely I would. And as I said earlier, Mr. Manohar Parrikar doesn't need anyone to campaign for him in any. Mr. Manohar Parrikar himself is basically a man of station.
Do you think there are anti-incumbency forces within?
Sorry?
Do you think there are anti-incumbency forces within the?
See, first.
You also lost elections with a couple of votes.
See, I would like to tell you. See, I lost an election last time for a simple reason. I believe now is that Mr. Manohar Parrikar went around telling the people of Panjim that he will be coming back to Goa. So I am making Siddharth to contest here so that he will vacate the seat for. So on that assurance, actually, Siddharth was elected. I feel so that this is the way how I look at my elections. So now, as Mr. Manohar Parrikar has come back, so I am sure that he is going to get overwhelming support. By the margin what he used to win. I think last two elections he won by a margin of more than 5,000 or two elections. I think the same margin of much more than that he should get.